Good morning everyone and welcome to the very last solo road trip vlog. As you would have seen in yesterday's video, I drove from Byron Bay to Coffs Harbour because I wasn't a fan of Byron Bay. So I stayed here last night. I'm not going to film Coffs Harbour because that isn't really a stop, it's just a sleepover. But if you want to see Coffs Harbour, I've been here before and I've vlogged it. I'll leave it down below. But today I'm going to Dorrigo National Park and it is the shittest weather ever, so let's hope the park isn't actually closed and I get to whip out this bad boy. It's one of my big coats. It's crazy how I went from wearing a dress on a beach at 6 AM in the morning to I've got 2 layers of pants, 3 layers of shirts, and I'm about to put that big jumper on as well. My hair is greasy AF and I really need to wash it. And the bed in the back's getting really uncomfortable, so all in all, I'm ready to go home. But this is my last stop, so yeah, let's get cracking. And who knows if I'll be home tonight or tomorrow. I was originally going home Friday, but because I didn't stay in Byron, I'm a day early. Let's go explore Dorrigo. Welcome to Dorrigo, where it is raining. Very rainy and cold, and I'm rugged up like an Eskimo. I have made it to the first waterfall, which is Dayna Falls, and it is very impressive so far. I don't know how many waterfalls I have to look at either, because I haven't really googled it. So I'm just following signs like usual. So here is Dayna Falls. Welcome to Ebor Falls. I've driven an extra 100 k's to see these falls, so they better be impressive. I can see them. They look pretty cool. Apparently it's higher and lower, so I can just see the high bit. It looks cool. That's amazing. Oh my god, look! Holy shit, that is cool. Currently on a walk through the rainforest. It's going to take me about 2.5 hours. It's 6.5 k's, but I'm going to see some cool waterfalls. And like, look at this already. This is amazing. And the canopies above has like blocked the rain, so I can't even really feel the rain, which is cool. But it is cold. Yeah, let's see what we get up to on this walk. Probably should have eaten first though. Oh well, I'll cook some food afterwards. Can you hear that? I think it's a waterfall. I don't know if it's just what I'm imagining because I want it to be a waterfall, or actually might be. But I've been walking for that bloody long that I just hope it's a waterfall. I think it is. Yes, it is! Can we just appreciate this view for 1 second? I have it all to myself and my camera is getting absolutely soaked, but you can't even see it. Walking out into the rain. Look at that. That's amazing. And there is no one around. And I'm on this bridge. I don't even know if you can hear me right now. Amazing. Another waterfall now. This is Crystal Showers Waterfall, and you can actually walk behind it, which is really cool, and I'm gonna do that. But it looks so pretty. Hey guys, so I wanted to do this before it gets too dark. So I went on that huge walk today in the Dorrigo National Park, and it was a hard walk, let me tell you that. It was, they say it was like a moderate level. I don't know what grade it was, but it should have been friggin' high because it was hard. It was really hard. And I was gonna stay in Dorrigo tonight actually, but I've decided that I just want to go home. I'm so ready to go home. My hair is like disgusting. I really need to wash it. I'm wearing a shirt I usually wear to bed right now because I've run out of clean clothes, and this has like the biggest bleach stain right on the front of it, but I don't have any other clean clothes, so I don't have anything to wear. Mum doesn't know I'm coming home, so I'm gonna surprise her and just like walk in the house. But and it's pissing down rain right now. I swear every time I go on a road trip, when I come back it just pisses down rain the whole time. Yeah, I'm just hoping this is okay and you can actually see me, because it's 5 o'clock right now and it's getting really dark. But I just wanted to take this opportunity to say that I literally had the best trip ever. Yeah, sorry, I'm not looking at the camera, I'm looking at the road. Yeah, I've honestly had the best trip ever. Every time I think about it, I get freaked emotional, and I don't even know why. Like, I set myself a goal at the start of this trip to pretty much go on a soul-searching adventure, and I'm getting emotional, freaked out, and I've definitely done that. Like, obviously I didn't get all the answers I wanted, but my main one is I need to quit my job. I really do, and that's what's going to make me happy. So that is my mission when I get back, is not just go quit my job straight away, but to find a new one so I can quit my job. Yeah, I just honestly had the best adventure. I wanted to watch the sunrises, I wanted to watch the sunsets, I wanted to take photos and videos and explore places that I've never seen before, and I literally did exactly that, and I'm so happy that I stuck to my word. And I set myself a $1,000 budget, and I've just gone over it, which has really bugged me, but I had to fill up my car to get home. So I've spent about $1,060 roughly. So that's pretty good. I'm really proud of myself. The other things I've bought myself is I bought myself the new pair of sunnies, and I bought myself a magnet at every place like usual. Everything other than that has been food and just activities and adventures, really. Just wanted to say thanks to Anytime Fitness for their amazing gym facilities and their amazing showers. Yeah, so if you didn't know how I was showering, I was going to the gym every day. And no, I didn't just walk straight into the gym and use the shower. I did a workout every day because I thought that would be a little bit awkward otherwise. That's about it, really. Now I'm gonna go home, back to reality. I need to clean the car. The bed in the back was getting so uncomfortable. Like, I don't know, like I woke up so many times last night. Like I had a really decent sleep, but it was just like my back was killing me. I think that's another thing why I've like decided I want to go home, is because I just need to sleep in my own bed. I'm so excited for that. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you very much for keeping up with me on my adventures, and I really appreciate everyone watching these videos. And yeah, and the next adventure will be Hawaii, so look out for that. And also I'm gonna do a video on DIY hacks I did for my car, like how I made my bed, how I made my curtains, everything like that. So and thanks to my little car, little Mackenzie Mazda, she got me all the way to Bundaberg and back. Proud of her. And I slept in the back the whole time, did not pay a cent for accommodation. So there you go. Thanks for watching, guys, really appreciate it. Bye.